What's up everyone, it's Dan and we are here in Germany checking out the Capristo tour, listening to some exhausts and checking out their manufacturer. So we'll take you around and hope you enjoy it. Checking out Capristo's manufacturing facility of their exhaust systems is truly amazing. From the raw materials, they manufacture everything, including the mufflers, the exhaust tips, piping, and even the valves. Throughout all their machines, they choose to be in full control of the manufacturing process, not only to give you the best exhaust system and the best sound, but the quality that you can expect from Capristo. Speaking with Capristo founder Antonio, we asked him what his favorite car is in all of his collection. He proudly said the Testarossa.
Ich kann mich nicht entscheiden zwischen Dino und Testarossa.
Dino und Testarossa. I love the Testarossa.
Number 2 in charge, Iggy, shows off his Audi R8 V10. As a huge R8 lover, the exhaust system from Capristo truly makes this an exotic car sound. He'll fire it up and let us hear what has made him part of the Capristo family. One of Antonio's favorite cars, the Ferrari 355. You can hear why this thing sounds incredible with the Capristo valve control system. We're here getting a factory tour of Capristo. We just heard a couple of the cars rev out. It's a Ferrari 355 and Audi R8 V10. Checking out the carbon fiber as well as the exhaust section and all their in-house manufacturing. They do everything from the ground up, so it's pretty impressive. We're gonna check out some more cars here. Capristo's carbon fiber work, including this Mercedes GTS rear diffuser, is such amazing quality you would think it's OEM. Even their Ferrari 488 GTB has impressive pieces that you would never know this is aftermarket. Capristo even has their own lake, so we're gonna go check out Lago Capristo. Why not, right? Supercars and fishing. After a break at Lago Capristo, we head back down the hill to see their new Project Audi RS5. This 3.0-liter turbocharged engine features their new valve control system. With Capristo, they've enabled you to be able to switch between the exhaust notes on the infotainment system.
This is the RS5. So the RS5 is thinking, oh, I still have my valves. Yeah. And for sure, you have the remote where, even though it's in comfort, I say, okay, I want to open the valves.
Yeah.
Now they're open, depending on, independently, if I'm in comfort mode or if I switch to comfort or individual or whatever, they just stay open.
Yeah.
Yeah? And I even have a second function, which we call delayed open. So the valves are open, and 5 seconds later they close automatically. Sometimes if you don't want to make too much noise, you see, they close automatically. Yeah. So basically they would open now, depending on what I configure. Yeah. So if I say 2, basically they are now open. Yeah. But they will close after 5 seconds automatically, and they will say, okay, that's a delayed closing, what we call it. Yeah. So I have the open, and I can say, okay, 1, which is basically my cruise mode, and then they close.
Yeah.
There's a brand new 991.2 GT3 RS. The customer actually just won a race event with it. This has their full Capristo exhaust system. Pretty dope wrap, this metallic green chrome.
Another product Capristo makes
So he's
are the
doing-
header heat blankets.
Yeah.
Owner Antonio shows us how these work with a torch.
Does the heat spread or does it
No, it stays within that area. I can follow up my finger. You see with.
Yeah. It seems like something bad is happening. Yeah.
Look, and it's really glowing. Yeah. Touch it there.
It's not hot at all.
So, und auf die Seite.
It's a little hot.
We had a great time visiting the facility of Capristo in Germany. And if you want to see more of these exhausts, check out our website at vividracing.com. We hope you enjoy. Leave us a comment and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you at the next one.